Eva te manu Natatali te paratai Manuriki Eva ti vitera ora Manu mariki te atea Areno atura Eva Eva te manu Natatali te paratai Manuriki Eva ti vitera ora Manu mariki te atea Areno atura
Hello everyone! I hope you're doing great today. And for us, I have prepared a lovely poetic song called Eva Eva Te Manu, which means the bird. Alright, so before we get started, this dance class is a slow paced and it's designed for seniors but also for anyone who wants to learn at a slower pace or maybe who has some injuries and would prefer to dance in a slower pace and in a safe way. Okay, so before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button here below. Thank you so much for your support and let's get dancing. So let's get started. Let's do the hands first, okay? So slowly count with me. I'm here and I have my two hands together. It doesn't matter which one is on top. And then from there, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch your hands here. And then I drop 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From there, I'm going to listen with my ear. Show me your hands in a triangle shape. Here. And I hear the bird. The bird singing from far away on the shore. Okay? So you go 1 time, 2 times. Wave your hands, 2 waves. Show me again. Everybody hands here. And I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure to frame your hands, okay? Like bend a little bit the middle finger and wave gently. Very good. Next hands motions. I'm here and I'm going to present Teora up to the sky here. Show me again. I'm here and I go down, down, down and up. Present up. Very good. Next hands motions. I'm here cross and I stay and that's it. And then I put my hands on the hips. One last time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, listen. And the beach shore. The birds on the beach shore. Yes? From there, live. It's talking to us. The bird is talking to us. And drop there. And hands on the hips. You got this. Let's do the feet together. You know the hands motions now. So I have my hands here. I point my right foot. Show me that right foot. And I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I listen with my right ear. I stand to the right. I point that foot. And I go to the left. And I wave 2 times. Very good. From there, I move that right foot to the front. And I extend and I draw a line. Hop. Hands up. All the way to the sky. From there, I step back. And I roll 2 times. Do what you can. Okay, make a circle, 2 circles. From there, hands on the hips. And I turn 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6, 7. Stay. I just stay here. And then I pose back, 2 hands, like the beginning. Okay? And that's when the music starts. So one more time with the intro, slowly. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. So one more time with the intro. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, the bird, your wings. Listen to the beach shore. Yes, there's the bird singing. It's singing about life. Hands up. And drop on your chest. 2 circles. Very good. And turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay, pose. 7, 8. Good. From there, I'm going to go to the side. And the hands motions will be the same. So not much to do here. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it with me. 1, 2, this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Extra hands motions. Front. Show me your hands here. Your right hand. Yes. Front. 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 Make sure you're not overextending. Okay, again. Front. 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 There you go. So let's do with the hips. I'm here. And I pose. And I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I listen. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I go to the front. Right, left, right, stay. Right, left, right, left. And I go to the back, cross. Right, left, right, stay. Right, left, right, left. There you go. And I step. Right foot. Always the right foot. Right foot. Up. Okay, one last time. Count with me. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, short. 5, 6, 7, front. Line, 2, 3, stay. 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, back, right, back. Very good. Let's go.
Eva, Eva, te manu. Natataki te patai. Manuri Eva divitera ora. Manu mari te atea. Aeno atumna. Eva, Eva, te manu. Natataki te patai. Manuri Eva divitera ora. Manu mari te atea. Aeno atumna. Eva, Eva, te manu. Natataki te patai. Manuri Eva divitera ora. Manu mari te atea. Aeno atumna. Eva, Eva, te manu. Natataki te patai. Manuri Eva divitera ora. Manu mari te atea. Aeno atumna. Eva, Eva, te manu. Natataki
Congratulations! Well done on today's class. I hope you enjoyed this slow-paced class. Please feel free to let me know how it went for you at home, comments below, and support my channel, like, share, subscribe. Also, I have many hundreds of other videos on this channel, so feel free to check them out. And I have also prepared a special package, slow pace, for seniors or for people who want to have a slower paced class for injured people. Okay, it's safe, very safe classes. You can check them out here on TahitiDanceFitness.com. Alright, big kisses to you all, and I see you for our next class. Never forget, you are amazing. Bye. Well done on your class today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and come learn more with me online at TahitiDanceFitness.com.